He was the son of King Purushottam Dev, and he was the avatar of Indra. Indra came in Gauranga's Leela as Prataprudra, and Indra's guru Brihaspati came as Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He became the main Purohit in Jagannath Puri. So that Raja thought that Krishna has come in Jagannath Puri in Kali Yuga as Gauranga. So I will make the most beautiful Murti of Gauranga from 24 karat gold. 24 karat was called 24 tola. Sona. मलयालम में क्या?
कैरेट से वैसे ही बोलते हैं.
24 karat स्वर्णम. स्वर्णम. Pure gold. He made the murtis of Gaur Kishore and Gaur Gopal.
हरी बोल.
24 karat swarnam.
That is tangam. Tangam. That is called tangam.
Tangam. And it is kept under lock and key, high security. And this deity is 500 years they are worshipped. Everybody sees and they see the golden form of Gauranga coming out. I think we left the ashram late. By 12 o'clock, all the temples they close in Puri.
Oh.
12 to 3. It's a closing time.
Okay.
Whatever we have to see, we have to leave early and complete by 12. Maybe Swarna Gauranga because you have come from Navadvip. Maybe some miracle may happen.
हरी बोल.
We are lucky.
आरती होगा महाराज.
Swamiji, it is 6 carat is 1 gram.
6 carat is 1
8
gram.
8 carat.
6 carat. 6 carat is
No,
1 gram.
he is not
I'm talking about
carrot.
8 gram. 8 gram is different. 8 gram is 1 power. 6 carat is 1 gram.
1 gram.
8 gram. 6 gram. 8 gram.
24 carat is 4 gram.
24 carat.
And gold cannot become more pure than 24.
Yeah. Mobile not allowed. Mobile not
No
allowed.
phones are allowed, so one devotee will have to stand outside, take all the phone. Even leather belts are not allowed. Umbrella.
Camera, shoes, socks are not allowed. Those who wear socks, they cannot go in.
Folding only can carry.
ഞാൻ വന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ പിടിക്കാം.
അല്ല folding ആണെങ്കിൽ
ഹോൾഡിംഗ് അകത്തിടും. നമ്മളെല്ലാരും
Sonar Gauranga Mandir.
Hello, Gauranga.
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 The king Prataprudra wanted to meet Mahaprabhu, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, but Gauranga Mahaprabhu said, I do not meet the king. I am not interested. I have only come to Puri to do my bhajan, Naam, Sankirtanam, to spread. I am not interested in meeting the king and all that. So the king was crying very much. Then Nityananda Prabhu, being very dayamay, he brought this small child of the king to meet to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. That child was a blue color body, and his eyes were like lotus petals, like Krishna. So Gauranga embraced the child, said, "Oh, you look like Krishna only." And the child started doing Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
When the Lord Gauranga embraced him, the child started crying. He got all the Ashta Satvik Vikar. In the Bhagavata it is said, Ashta Satvik Sweda Pulaka Shru Kampa, and all the Vikars come in his body. Then he went to his house and his father embraced him, the Prataprudra. And father got the same result of embracing Gauranga Mahaprabhu.
Hari Bol.
He also said, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
But still the king was not satisfied. He was begging all devotees, I want to touch the Lord. I want to serve the Lord. Give me one chance. Acharya said, if you want to serve the Lord, you have to give up your Rajvesh. And you have to become a simple Vaishnava. Put tilak in 12 places in your body, Gopi Chandanam. And you come in the Rath Yatra time. And you wait in the Jagannath Vallabh Gardens. When the Jagannath Rath will stop, the Lord will stop dance acts inside the tree near under the Ashoka tree. At that time, you will get your chance. So the king, dressed like a Vaishnava, he was waiting in Puri in Jagannath Vallabh Gardens. And when the Lord came and resting in under the tree, the Lord was crying, tears in his eyes. At that time, the king went slowly in the Vesh and he took the lotus feet of the Lord. He started massaging the feet of the Lord and he started singing, Tava Kathamritam
Taptakanvanam Kavibiriditam Kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadadidam Bhuri Grinandite Bhurida Jana
Bhuri Grinanti
Bhurida Jana.
He started singing like that. The gopis are singing Gopi Geetam from the Bhagavatam. Anybody who distributes the katha of the Lord in Kali Yuga is Bhurida.
Hari Bol.
Bhurida means giver of big thing. Is giving Bhuri. Bhuri means very big. Dam is giver. So our Radhangi Mataji is one of them.
You also.
Bhurida. I am only sitting in Puri. Mataji is giving katha in Mumbai. Mumbai is like a narka. No. I mean, you are like lotus flower inside the mud.
Bombay it is not doing. We are coming here to watch the Papa.
Yes.
When
I
we
mean,
reach Bombay, we will start doing.
so, but anywhere the katha is there, that becomes Goloka.
Maharaj, you want to fetch
Heaven.
heaven? No, from Naragaloka we will be now going to the heaven.
No, already you have come.
That's what.
So that Maharaji came runningly, he came to Puri from Mumbai. He
I
don't
was
want
first
to stay
doing lot
back.
of Bhagavad Katha in Mumbai, but I came to Puri because I did not like too much time staying in Mumbai. I decided I will stay in the Dhamam of the Lord and then go and come back, but I don't want to stay permanently in the Maya Nagaris. The Maya Nagaris. So, that is why real Bhurida is one who takes the risk and goes out to the Maya Nagaris and gives Hari Katha. So the gopis were praising that your Katha Amrit is so nice. And Lord Gauranga got up and he was crying. Got up and said, You are Bhurida, you are Bhurida. You are giving me Gopi Geetam. You are giving me the Amritam of Gopi Geetam. The Lord embraced the king. Pratap Rudra, the Lord, he was dressed as a Vaishnava. And the king became so happy to get the embrace of the Lord. And then the Lord showed a Shadbhuja Swarup to the king. And then the king printed from the Padma Purana, from the Upanishad, he printed a booklet in Odia language that Krishna has come from as Gauranga in Kali Yuga. He distributed all over in Orissa. And then he made this temple of Swarna Gauranga.
Hari Bol.
I don't know if this will ever open.
He said he will open.